Hello Internet, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, standing in my garage. Now this video is the second video of a project of repurposing lumber from this pile of debris into this raised garden bed. Now it's important that you see the first video explaining the project. You can see this video by following the link in the description below. Now, this video is part of an overall series called Stay-at-Home Projects that I have accomplished during the pandemic. And you can see the full list in the card here above. Now, I ended the first video showing you the completed project. In the second video, I'm going to back up and show you detail after I built the raised garden bed of preparing it for the soil. Here's what I did. First of all, just blocked it down, 60 grit sandpaper, nothing fancy, just knocking off the rough edges. Next, I had a used can of Rust-Oleum Spar Varnish, about a third of a can. It was just right. I did the outside first, and now the inside, didn't bother cleaning it. Again, this will all be covered with dirt. Just makes it a little bit more water resistant. Now I took a 5/8 inch drill bit and drilled every other plank across the backside. This is what overhangs on the grass. This is for drainage, so we get a lot of rain and stuff that the water will drain down through the soil and simply drain through the backside. Next, I lined it with plastic. I believe this is 30 mil plastic. I just use a normal, regular office stapler, opened it up and just clicked it in place, kind of formed the edges there. Worked really well. I've covered the holes that I drilled, but I'll later go back and cut them. So I have a knife here and I'm cutting the top and then using the stapler and stapling the sides. And here I'm taking the knife and I'm cutting the plastic where the holes are at so that the excess water can drain on the backside. Next, I'm putting in some gravel mixed with sand. It's pretty fine, about 1/4 inch, a couple buckets full. And again, this will just allow better drainage. Next, I'm adding topsoil. So it's a mixture of topsoil. This is local from Texas, really rich looking stuff from the local hardware store. And then I put a bag of potting soil, likewise from Texas, very rich potting soil. Just kind of mixing it as I go, layering it. And I use a total of 9 bags. So not 9 bags of each, but 4 of the topsoil and 5 of the potting soil. The bed's a foot deep, so it takes quite a bit of soil. Okay, so you can see what went into this first planter and what's underneath in that. We've had some heavy rains and it works really well with the water coming through just on this backside onto the grass and not onto the deck. And as you can tell, I've since made another planter. I don't have it lined yet, but I look forward to doing that and expanding the garden. Now, if you got any value from this video, please hit like. It costs you nothing, but it's great value to me. Also, when I reach 5,000 subscribers, I am doing a $50 gift card giveaway. 2 things: if you'd like a chance to win this $50 gift card, hit the like button and leave a comment. That's it. We'll do a random number drawing for the video and a random number drawing for the comment, and that person wins. You have great odds of winning. Anyway, this is Scott with Scott's Garage, and we'll see you in the next video.